This is a quick guide to the custom Flashcards tool. It's a tool for creating bilingual flashcards for students of English as a second language. As a student or group of students learn new words, you can add them to a list of words and use that list in the Flashcards activity. We start by making a list of words. We click the New List button, select a language, and enter a name for the group or student. From there, you'll see the list where the words will go. On the right, we can add a word to the students list. Type in a word. Add its translation. Click Enter or click the Add Word button, and the word goes to its position in the list. We'll add a couple of more words. Next, we'll look at the 4 buttons next to the list of words. Click on the trash can if you want to delete any of the words. Click the pen if you want to edit a word. We'll add a note to this word. The note can be about anything. You can use it to leave yourself a reminder about the word or anything related to the word. Clicking the next button allows us to see our notes. If a word doesn't have a note, the icon to the right of the word is faded, so you can easily see which words have notes and which don't. Finally, you can change the order of the words between English and a student's native language. This can be useful if a student is reviewing their words and they can't remember the word in English, but they remembered they learned the word. They can see the words ordered by their native language and then easily find the English translation. Once you have a list of words, you can then use them in the Flashcards activity. Let's add a few more words. Click on the red button to open the tool. Select the number of words to use. Click the Get Cards button and the computer will select cards to use in the activity. The words are cycled to make sure all words appeared when the list of words start getting longer, but you can have words appear more or less frequently depending on their difficulty and how often you want them to appear. You can also change the language the word appears in first. More difficult words or newly learned words can be in English, so the student only has to recognize the word. More familiar words can appear in a student's native language, so they have to think a bit more to remember what the word is in English. Click the button in the middle to reveal the answer, and then click the right arrow to go to the next word.